Let's give a big hand. The Miss Julia Faith Joaquin, soprano, and Mr. Gonzalo Misa on the classical guitar. Let's give them a real appreciation. Thank you so much. And she's singing Dandan Soy, actually an Ilonggo folk song, and actually underscores Juan Negros. Ladies and gentlemen, may we now listen to some of our guests of honor and speakers. They have found time in their really busy schedule to be with us and make this event more meaningful. May I call on now Senator Mark Villar. Let's give Senator Mark Villar a round of applause.
Uy. Yeah. Galing. Congratulations. Thank you, maraming salamat sa inyong mainit na pagsalubong sa amin. At syempre po, napakamalaking bagay po na naging bahagi po ako ng inyong napakahalagang okasyon. So, maraming salamat. At naging part po ako ng inyong anniversary. At syempre po, higit sa lahat, nais ko pong batiin ang ating governor ng isang happy birthday. Kaya nandito po ako para batiin ang ating governor, 37 years old only, the age when I was appointed as secretary. So, it's a very good age. I'm 45 po ako ngayon. Bago appointed ako, 38. It's very young. At, salamat Salamat. At well, of course, salamat po kay Governor for inviting, syempre po, ang Vice Governor ng Negros Oriental, the Honorable Jake Reyes, ang aking pong mga friends, my good friends from the Senate, my colleagues, andito po, ang ating napakasipag na Senator Amy Marcos. At syempre po, ang ating legal expert, na napakagaling, parang professor namin sa Senado, Senator Tolentino. Of course, His Excellency, the Ambassador of Ireland, William Carlos. Of course, Governor Lacson from Negros Occidental. My friend from Congress, the 2nd District Representative, Congressman Chiquiting Sagarbaria. Of course, also my colleague, nung po sa Congress, 1st District Congresswoman, the Honorable Jocelyn Limcaychong. Executive Director of the National Historical Commission, Director Carmina Arevalo. The board members from the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd District of Negros Oriental, the city and municipal mayors, vice mayors, of course, the provincial administrator, Attorney Arthur Tolsidas, the Executive Director of the Tourism Board, Woodrow R.R. Makiling, the chairperson, who's also the chairperson of the Negros Oriental Tourism Council, the President of Silliman University, Betty Cernol Macan, the Vice President for Academic Affairs of Silliman, Dr. Earl Jude Paul Cleope, and of course, all the honored guest visitors from the provincial capital. Maraming salamat po. Simple lang po ang mensahe ko ngayong hapon.